joined by my super PAC, the Talk TV contributor Esther Cracker, the socialist author Grace Blakely, and from New York, the Spectator's associate editor Douglas Murray. Welcome to all of you. I want to start with you, Douglas. Kevin Spacey, a dramatic turn of events today where Kevin Spacey was found not guilty of all charges in the sex assault case. This despite being already convicted by the inevitable court of public opinion on social media for a year. This is what he said when he came out of court afterwards.
I would like to say that I'm enormously grateful to the jury for having taken the time to examine all of the evidence and all of the facts carefully before they reach their decision. And I am humbled by the outcome today.
And what was interesting, I thought, Douglas, was the number of people I've heard on the airways, commentators, broadcasters and so on, saying, you know, despite this, it's going to be almost impossible for Kevin Spacey to get his career back in Hollywood. To which my response instinctively is, why? The guy's just been found not guilty. Right? How have we got to this? To me, is the personification of cancel culture, where someone is found innocent on all charges, and yet there's a kind of presumption that he can't return to his previous career.
Well, one thing, Piers, is, I mean, you said that this is a surprising verdict. It's not surprising at all. Kevin Spacey's been exonerated at each of the trials he's been put through. He was exonerated in the US last year. He was exonerated today in London. Anyone who followed the US trial, the civil case of Anthony Rapp, knows that Anthony Rapp made false allegations against Kevin Spacey that were proved to be false in a US court. Now, if anyone followed closely the incredibly weak, appalling case that the CPS brought against him in the UK, the four claimants had one of the weakest cases I have ever seen brought before a jury. And nobody who followed this case could possibly be surprised that the jury came back saying that Kevin Spacey was innocent. He has been repeatedly proven innocent in court. For 6 years now, he has been put through the most incredibly intense cancellation you could possibly imagine. 6 years of false allegations against him and a destroyed career. And just remember, before this, he was one of the most successful actors on the planet. House of Cards was the most successful show on Netflix. This shows what happens when a society loses grip of the idea of innocent until proven guilty and decides always believe the alleged victim. Because you know what? Sometimes the alleged victim is an absolute provable liar. And that has been the case in the trials of Kevin Spacey. And I wish that our society would learn something from it.